guys, so I am really excited because I have this really cool math dice. Now, I want you to look really closely. What do you notice is on each side or each part, sorry, of the dice? You're right, we have tens frames. So we're going to play a quick little game, okay? I'm going to roll the dice, and I landed on this tens frame. What is this tens frame? What number does it show or represent? Let's see. We've got 1, 2, 3 dots in our tens frame. So this represents the number 3. Now, I'm going to roll the dice again, and we're going to land hopefully on another tens frame. I want to know, is the number I roll next bigger or smaller than, let's see, where was it? 3, right? Think about how we could figure that out. All right, this time I landed on this tens frame. What does this tens frame show or represent? Let's see, how many dots are there? 1, 2. This tens frame shows 2. Now, our first one showed us 3. Our second one showed us 2. Which number is bigger, and how do you know? Well, I think the number 3 must be bigger because there's an extra dot. If I cover up one dot, how many dots do I have now in my tens frame? You're right, there's 2. So if there's an extra dot, that must mean that 3 is bigger than 2. It has one more dot than 2 does. Okay, let's try this one more time. Ready? Ooh, this time I landed on a really big number. What number does this tens frame represent? You're right. It represents the number 6. Okay, because we have 6 dots. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. All right. Now let's roll, and we're going to think about, is the number I roll next bigger or smaller? Let's see. All right. What number did we land on? You're right. 3. Let's count these dots again in our tens frame. 1, 2, 3. Is 3 bigger than, greater than, or smaller than 6? What do you think? There's 6. There's 3. Which is bigger? If you said 6, you're right. Because look, we can cover up, let's see, these 2 dots and this dot. And what do we have? 3. But we had to cover up some of them. We know that 6 has actually 1, 2, 3 more dots than 3. All right. Good job, guys, with your math fact fluency.